Prime Minister Modi held a detailed meeting with the Defence Minister to discuss the potential reforms to ensure a self-reliant and strong Indian defence industry that caters to both short and long-term needs of the armed forces. The discussions involved reforming the functioning of the ordnance factories, streamlining procurement procedures, focused resource allocation to critical projects, encouraging research and development, promotion of indigenous defense platforms for exports, and attracting foreign investment in critical defense technologies. And reports indicate that the American firm Lockheed Martin have been offered the UP Defense Corridor. Top experts have said that the Indian Navy is unlikely to get the approval for a third aircraft carrier due to tightening defense budget, and as the INS Vikramaditya is also set to be retired by 2040, India should convert 4 landing helicopter docks into mini aircraft carriers. Russia is also working on a successor to the Yak-151 supersonic vertical takeoff and landing fighter jet known as Yak-150, which will be similar in performance to the F-35B, and will operate from the new amphibious ships which have been planned for the Russian Navy. Top experts have said that instead of one large aircraft carrier operating 50 jets in the Indian Ocean, India should convert 4 landing helicopter docks into mini aircraft carriers, as China plans to operate 5 aircraft carriers by 2030, and at least 1 Chinese aircraft carrier fleet will be stationed permanently in the Indian Ocean. According to latest media reports, Lockheed Martin Corporation will provide the militaries of Taiwan and India with electro-optical fire control systems for the Apache helicopter, which includes modernized target acquisition designation and pilot night vision sensor systems, as well as its subcomponents for the Boeing Apache helicopter. It will increase standoff ranging for the Indian Armed Forces, as well as greater resolution for targeting and enhancing situational awareness, as compared to previous versions of the system. The images recently released on a Chinese defense blog shows that the Western Theater Command of the Chinese Army has deployed the latest 122mm PHZ-11 multiple launch rocket system on a tracked chassis. The design of the PHZ-11 has been compared to the American M270, and it has an armored cabin at the front of the vehicle, and a launcher station at the rear side. China has already deployed the type PCL-191, that is capable of launching 750mm ballistic systems up to a distance of 500 kilometers. The Chinese Navy has announced that it has created a new unit of Marines, and this comes after recent reduction of its army by 300,000 soldiers. According to reports from the US Naval Institute, the strength of the Chinese Marines could grow by 400%, from the current 20,000 Marines to more than 100,000.